Hey everyone, welcome back to AmourFabriQues. The Hobbie kits are now finished. Ready for you guys. As you can see here, I have them in the green, the blue, the pink, and we have the yellow pack. I'm going to go over today the blue pack for you guys, but I just want to give you guys a sneak peek of what the other ones look like before I do dive right into the blue pack. If you're new here, hi, hello. I hope you absolutely love this kit. I'm calling it a slow stitch kit, but you can use it for journaling. You can use it for quilting. Pretty much it's everything Holly Hobby of that time and era. Everyone just loves Holly Hobby. And I hope you love what I put together for you guys. These are easily put together in a box, ready for a gift for a friend or just simply for yourself. I can't wait to show you guys this blue pack, and I hope you love it just as much as I do. If you want to follow me, down below are the direct links to follow me and to see what I bring to you next. Here are the gift with purchase. I'm giving you guys a digital. When you do purchase one of the kits, this digital will be for these vintage needle packs. You'll get all the paper digitals that you can print out for these two different types of needle packs. Here's the third needle pack to give you an example of what it's like on paper. All right, guys, let's dig right into this blue pack. Oh my gosh, blue is just lovely. I don't know, when you think Holly Hobby, definitely you think of this beautiful blue. Each pack will come with this vintage Lady Washington mother of pearl buttons, a pair of embroidery scissors. You will also get a bottle of seed beads. Seed beads you can use or learn how to use on this project for whatever you're using. I also bring a little needle pack here for you. I layered it with different fabrics, but you get a seed bead needle, as you can see here, for doing the beads. You also will get an embroidery needle. I think it's a number I forgot which number embroidery needle that is. You also get embroidery floss, which, whoo, there it is. It wasn't in a box. You get a pack of embroidery floss and different little bits of fabrics and lace and that little bundle there for you. You'll get a piece of feed sack fabric here of this beautiful blue and green. I think it just goes really well with this blue Holly Hobby kit. This pack here, up at the top, I had ironed it to make it look so pretty for you, but it's a piece of vintage sheet. It's just that beautiful square of that blue flowers are just gorgeous. You're going to get a layering of different doilies. Here, I just kind of used a pen to put it together. A cool, really cute blue button. Different doilies here. What you see is what you're getting there in your pack. You will also get, down below here, you get some vintage yo-yos. I did three different sizes here, but they all are a blue themed. So there's two smaller ones, and then there's one large gingham. Each kit will have a gingham one that is large. Aren't they beautiful? Then you get some laces. Each lace, I think they're 8.5 in strips, and this here is really cute. The other one's folded in half. I'm going to open it up for you later. That trim is just beautiful. Right now I'm just going to show you, get some trims. There's one on that table there that I kind of forgot to pick up, but I'm going to pick it up here in a little bit once I notice I did not pick it up. And then, of course, you get the Holly Hobby sheet print here. I had ironed it, folded it for you guys. I'm going to move that box out of the way and kind of bring this forward for you. That Holly Hobby print is folded and ironed, but it opens up into a nice square block for you guys. Each pack will get this quilted fabric here from, I think it was a vintage bedspread. It's just you can cut that in half and have two different pieces for a booklet or quilted project, or just keep it whole. Either way, there is that trim that I missed. I meant to show you guys. I knew I'd find it later. Let's see here. What's in this box? Okay, so each one of these prints of sheet fabrics are 10.5 by 14.5. I'm going to pull them all out here to show you guys each one. They're just absolutely beautiful. See how it matches really well with the blue? This is definitely Holly Hobby vintage blue style, just gorgeous pieces. These are vintage sheets. Like I said, each cut is 10.5 by 14.5. Here's this lovely light blue design. Next one's a little bit bolder for you. Here it comes. Here we are. And then, oops, I guess I'll go to the lace next. So you can get this nice, beautiful large cut of lace, which is also 10.5 by 14.5. You can see there, isn't that pretty? Just lovely. This whole kit is just a beautiful kit. You get so much in that box, much more than you realize. That's why I wanted to open up a box to show you guys. So I know a lot of you guys have purchased the pre-order, had a pre-order, and you didn't know what was going to be in a box. Now you actually get to see what's in the box. I only had 20 of each kit. Blue, I know when I did this video, was halfway sold out. So get yours while you can. Blue and pink always seems to sell out fast first. And here's this print here. It's another lovely blue floral vintage style sheet. Just lovely. Absolutely lovely. And then you get a large cut of vintage chenille. It is the wicker basket pattern. I thought that would go well with Holly Hobby. It is like an ivory creamy color. Here it is, the kit all laid out for you guys. It is just a beautiful kit. This is all the things you're going to get in. Oh, here's that trim. I'm going to open it up fully for you guys. I'm going to pull it out here. It's just so beautiful. I hope the video captures it. Look, it's just absolutely beautiful pieces. Well, enjoy the rest. I have beautiful music for you to see the rest of the kits. Bye, guys.